On 21st September 2022, the live online coaching division of the Delhi-based FIITJEE Limited, through its strategic business unit head Simran Dutta, had announced the launch of the FIITJEE Information and Counselling Centre at Laitumkrah, Shillong. The centre has been established with a name to prepare aspirants for various competitive examinations that include JEE Advanced, JEE Mains, CUET, NTSE, Olympiad and others.
Launch of Information and Counselling Centre in Shillong of FIITJEE School. So FIITJEE is a national institute. We are present across the country as well as in the Middle East and UAE, where we help children of class 6 to class 12 with various preparatory needs of theirs. So we prepare students for school exams, board exams. We prepare students for various competitive exams like the Olympiads, National Talent Search exam, engineering, so on and so forth. And along with that, we also guide students, mentor students and counseling students so that they are able to take the right decision with respect to their career. So this center, which we have just launched in Shillong, will help the children of Shillong as well as Meghalaya to get quality information about how to compete in a national level entrance exam like IIT JEE or medical NEET or maybe an Olympiad or an NTSE, how to prepare, what should be the approach, what should be the strategy, how does children in other parts of the country they prepare. So this entire center will help these children of this region to get that information, plan their career and compete at the national level. So that's the whole objective. And FIITJEE eSchool is also into live coaching, which means our teachers of FIITJEE Delhi will be conducting live online classes from Delhi. And students from here, if they want to prepare for engineering entrance exam, they don't have to go to Guwahati or they don't have to go to any other city and or anywhere else. They can stay at home and they can get the best coaching facility over the internet. So we are using very high-end technology. So we are merging our expertise in education, training along with technology so that we can reach out to students in smaller towns. So this has been our approach. We have opened almost 10 centers in Northeast across Assam, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, then Nagaland, Sikkim. So the entire Northeast we are covering, and the whole objective is to help the children of this region to get that information and expertise so that they can go ahead and compete at the national level entrance exams. We offer live coaching in the same way we conduct our offline classes, like we have training centers of FIITJEE across India where children come and attend classes and go away. So the same way we would be conducting these live classes. The interaction amongst teachers, students would be there in the live classes. The children will also be able to interact with the children of other cities in the same classroom. And one of the most important thing that FIITJEE follows is we keep the total batch strength below 50. So as a result, the teacher versus student ratio and interaction is optimum for better outcomes. So we are following the same process that we follow in an offline classroom, just that we are taking the help of technology so that we can reach out to the houses of the children so that they can stay at home. They don't have to relocate. They don't have to go to some other city, stay in a hostel, especially girl students. They find a lot of difficulty going to Delhi or Kota or somewhere else for preparation because they have to stay alone in a hostel. So now what they can do is they can stay at home, have home cooked food, go to the same school that they are going here in Shillong and yet get the best coaching facility which is available in Delhi. Yeah, so all that we are making it possible through technology.